Over the next 4 years in high school, you'll be creating a story about yourself that you'll share with colleges or employers. In order to create a story that best represents you, you'll want to plan ahead. This presentation is designed to give you the information you need to not only select courses for 9th grade, but to help you start thinking about your entire high school experience. We'll start off with what it takes to graduate high school. You'll need 27 credits. Here is a sample schedule for 9th grade. For each semester-long class you take, you will earn half a credit. For each year-long class, you will earn 1 credit. Each year in high school, you will take 8 classes, which translates to 8 credits per year. Now we'll take a look at each of the subject requirements. English. You are required to take English every year. You will need to choose whether you want to take core or honors. In 12th grade, you will also have the option to take AP Literature and Composition or Concurrent Enrollment English. Social Studies. These social studies requirements are currently undergoing revision. Science. To graduate, you will need 3 years of science. In 9th grade, you can choose either earth science or biology. You can ask your science teacher which is the best fit for you. Math. Secondary Math 1, 2, and 3 are required for high school graduation. It is possible to take an applied math class to fulfill the secondary math 3 credit. You'll need your parents' written permission. It's also strongly encouraged for students who plan on attending a college or university to take a 4th year of math so that they can be prepared for post-high school math courses. If you took secondary math 1 here at Wasatch, it will show up on your high school transcript and count as one of your 3 math credits. PE and health. Your PE requirement is fulfilled in 2 parts. Everyone must take Fitness for Life. Then you can take 1 credit of elective PE classes, such as yoga, swimming, or lifetime sports to complete the rest of the requirement. Your health requirement will be fulfilled when you take the Health 2 class. This Health 2 class is actually different than the health class you took here at Wasatch. Fine Arts. The fine arts requirement can be fulfilled by being part of a musical performing group, taking a dance class, taking a visual arts class like drawing, painting, or ceramics, or by taking a theater class. Career and Technical Education, or CTE. There are many different ways you can fulfill your career and technical education requirement. The goal here is to explore areas that could lead directly to career paths. Some classes are offered at Skyline and some at the Granite Technical Institute. We will explore some of the GTI opportunities later in this presentation. Digital Studies and Financial Literacy. Digital Studies and Financial Literacy are state requirements for graduation. However, there may be several courses offered at the high school that can fulfill them. Check with your counselor to see what options you have. Electives. The last requirement for graduation is 8 elective credits. To complete the remainder of your elective credits, you can use any classes you're interested in taking. This might include extra years of music if you participate in choirs or orchestra, extra PE classes if you're involved in a sport, or GTI classes. Basically, any class that is not needed to fulfill your other graduation requirements is an elective. World Language. Learning a language is not a graduation requirement, so world language credits count as elective credit. However, having several years of the same language on your transcript makes your college application stronger. Some universities even require 2 or 3 years of a language to be admitted. If you took world language at Wasatch in 7th or 8th grade, that credit will appear on your high school transcript and count toward your 8 elective credits. Colleges will see the language credit and grades when you apply. And that adds up to 27. Now, that sounds like a lot, but in 4 years of high school, you will have room for 32 credits.